y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. First, ignore my morning voice. It is very early in the morning. I'm actually getting ready to head to the office for my 9 to 5. It's really 9 to like whenever the job is done. But I wanted to do the whole hair claw clip trend that I've been seeing everywhere. I haven't really been seeing it on TikTok because I'm not on TikTok, although I think I do want to get more into TikTok this year. I don't know. We're going to talk about it in like a life update Q&A video that I'm going to film very, very soon because I know y'all have a lot of questions about my move and just other stuff that's going on with me. At least I think y'all do. Y'all may not care at all, but if you do care, I definitely will be doing like a life update Q&A video coming up very soon. I might as well, y'all just go ahead and drop those questions down below in the comment section for a Q&A video. Any questions that you have about me, whether it's hair related, life related, skincare, beauty, whatever kind of question you have for me, as long as I feel like it's appropriate, I will answer it. You know, some people be out of control. But anyways, getting back into this video, I want to experiment with more hairstyles this year. So we're gonna be doing a nice little hairstyle. I am on day 4 of a wash and go. I know some of you are like, girl, you normally don't do wash and goes in the winter. What happened? Well, if you missed my last video, I'll go ahead and upload it up in the cards for you. I did a wash and go featuring a gel that I've been using as a pre-poo. I know that's weird, right? I've been using this gel as a pre-poo and decided to use it for a wash and go. And these are my day 4 results, but we're gonna do something new with this hair. Before we get into this video, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week, typically. So if you're subscribed, you done hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and get into this hairstyle. All right, y'all, so first things first is that we have to part our hair. And if you watch like the makeup gurus do their makeup and they go off camera to like do their eyeliner or go off camera to do their eyelashes, that's me with parting. Parting is so hard for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wet my hair a little bit so it's easier to part. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna have to do my parting off camera and just come back and show y'all what I did, because I have to do 3 parts and then save myself the embarrassment and the struggle and just do it off camera. All right, we're back, y'all. I have parted my hair and I know that I look crazy, but we did 1 part back here, which I'll show y'all like a close-up. I didn't do the most perfect straight parts and that's totally fine. And then we also did a side part right here, and then we did a side part right here. We are going to work on this middle section first. I'm also just going to take some leave-in conditioner and just go ahead and moisturize my hair as well. We don't want no dry hair. My hair is not dry. One thing this wash and go is moisturizing and not drying at all. And this is day 4 hair, like I said. But you know, we just want to keep it moisturized. That's my alarm to make sure I take out the trash. Then of course we have to go in with some gel. I'm using my Wetline Extreme Gel. And I got the clear this time. I normally get the blue. I don't know, I just like the blue. I don't think there's like really a difference between the two, but I just prefer the blue color of the gel. I don't know why. went ahead and put our hair in this messy bun. Not really bun, it's more like a ponytail. I don't know, y'all, it's looking a little crazy, but hopefully I can like zhuzh it up and fix it later. So now we're gonna work on these 3 sections that I sectioned off. I actually am gonna like try to just clip this really quickly and kind of like have it out the way for now. We're about to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and gel up using hella water and hella gel. So now that we slicked these 2 parts back and I'm now connecting it to that back part, I also want to put a little bit of gel on the back part as well, just to smooth it down because it's updo, so you will see the back. And I want that to also be slicked down. Y'all, this hair from this bun is getting in the way. So then we're gonna take a little ponytail holder. This is one of the like ouchless ones. All right, so we have like a little ponytail back here. I'm gonna like go in and kind of smooth this down even more with more gel. I'll go back in and like kind of do my baby hairs or whatever, my edges. I don't really have baby hairs. Well, like I do, but I think because my forehead is so little, it just don't always be looking right. For the fun part, the cute part, I bought, I don't know if y'all can see these, if my lights are washing them out. There we go. So I bought these cute nude hair clips from Ulta. I was going into Ulta to buy some more scrunchies to stretch out my hair for my wash and go. And I saw these clips and I knew that I wanted to do this hairstyle. And I was like, we're definitely doing that. If I can find them on Ulta's website, I will definitely link them down below in the description box. So definitely check that out if you're interested in getting, sorry, I was looking for some scissors, y'all. If you're interested in getting these cute little hair clips. So I wanted to kind of stand out against my hair, so I don't think I'll use this one because it's too close to my hair color. So it's one of these. I think we're gonna go with the middle color, this like taupey color. So what you want to do, and I guess I should probably, yeah, we're gonna turn around for this part. Hopefully that doesn't look crazy. I'm gonna have to go look in the mirror. I'm moving my background. All right, y'all, so this is what we're looking like. I went ahead and checked in the mirror, the back, and it looks pretty good. My only thing is that I have some like scraggly pieces from my wash and go that I've just been like, kind of like overstretched, and you know how hair can be after a couple of days. It is what it is. We're going with it. I'm gonna go ahead and tie down my hair with this scarf. So while this is kind of like just laying down, I'm gonna go really quickly and change because I still got on my pajamas. I'm gonna change, that way I can come back, put on a quick little beat, nice little natural beat because we're not going nowhere, we're just going to the office. And then we'll have the final look, so I'll be right back. First things first, we gotta put on our sunscreen. I've already done my skincare routine, and y'all, I can't lie, my skin has been looking so darn good lately. Knock on wood, but I have not had a pimple in quite some time. And I've been very disciplined with my skincare routine. It's been working wonders for me. Don't worry, y'all, this like mineral sunscreen, it can be scary at first, but it typically blends in, although is showing out today. It's okay, we're gonna cover it up, but normally this blends in better with my skin. I don't know if it's the lights in here or what, but whatever.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never hear my thoughts run, oh yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah.
Alright y'all, here we are with the final look. Even though, you know, I got these scraggly pieces or whatever, the hair, it looks good. Let's see if I can give you a side profile so you can see the clip. Give you the other side profile. I usually don't go like this done up to work, but it is what it is. I felt like it today, and that's what we're doing. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. All the products, including the hair clips, the hair products that I use, makeup products, my perfume, all that will be linked down below in the description box just in case you want to check those items out. This lip gloss combo has been one of my favorites. I've been killing it lately. One of my favorites. Love it, love it, love it. Of course, I'll be linked down below in the description box. But yes, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Don't forget to leave me the Q&A questions, okay? Like the Q&A questions that you want me to talk about in an upcoming video. I'm hoping to film that video this weekend, so it'll be up next week for y'all. But anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching. I gotta go take out the trash real quick before I go to work, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!